across to you. I don't want the heckling match because we can understand when one person at one time is talking. So gentlemen, let's be calm. I've given everyone on this debate time to speak, even Royden, who spoke, like he said, 35 minutes after everyone did speak for an eloquent time, and everyone's getting time to speak. So the larger picture is not about everyone talking over each other, but getting the point across. Saurabh Shukla, like we said earlier, this is like we said, we've spoken about Indian resources. We've already spoken in the debate about illegal fake Aadhaar cards being made by these illegal immigrants. But how is this going to be sorted out? Is it the porous borders that are to be blamed? Is this the fact that hundreds of women have stated that when they are being trafficked into India, is what one of the Bangladeshi women who has been spoken to by Republic TV has said today? What is the solution here then for this?
Rhythm, there has to be a concerted solution here. One, obviously we have to tighten the border curves. We have to be very, very careful because it also involves sensitive relationship with countries like Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Because any genuine person who's coming to this country in India has always welcomed, as the panelists said, refugees or people coming here for genuine reasons. There are people who come here to get healthcare facilities. There are people who bring a specific skill set. They're always welcome in this country. But I think every government, be it the central level and the state level, has to realize this is a problem that confronts everybody. And as I told the panelists earlier as well, this is not about Hindu or Muslims. This is not about illegal immigrant coming from any country is bad. There are problems which are emerging from countries, you know, which are the countries that we spoke about, but there are other countries as well. We have to come together, find a concerted solution. This matter should be debated in Parliament, and also government should sit with the opposition and come up with a solution. Just allow me to speak, sir. Allow me to speak.
Yes.
There is a human element of this problem. The criminal syndicates who are using these people as guinea pigs have to be hauled up, have to be brought out to the book. Because the problem is, this is a human problem as well. This is a national security problem, and it has to be handled on an emergency scale, because today India is facing an emergency of sorts, and the problem is it's not about resources alone, it's about national security, it's about public health. And I'll again raise, we are in the middle of a pandemic and we have to have a concerted solution for this problem. And I think government and opposition and all states have to be equal stakeholders in this.